A very good morning, Ivy Sir and all my fellow friends. Okay, let us look at this picture. Yes, this is a picture showing a crying baby, but if you look closer, this baby is not producing any tears. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, while newborn babies cry a lot, they don't actually produce tears. This is because the lacrimal glands that are supposed to produce tears are not fully developed until the age of 8 weeks old. So do you know what are tears made of? Your tears have a similar composition to your saliva. While different tears have different recipes, all the tears are made of water, salt, and proteins. So I was curious about the tears fact and I have did some research on the internet. So today I'm going to talk about the 3 types of tears, which are basal tears, reflex tears, and emotional tears. By the end of my presentation, you will be able to differentiate these 3 types of tears and understand their respective functions. To begin, I will start off with the basic functional tears. The first type of tears is basal tears. So normally we go about our day without knowing that basal tears are doing their thing. But actually, basal tears are released in small quantity at all times. Fun fact, an average human actually produces 150 milliliter of basal tears per day, which is roughly equivalent to a measuring cup of water. So why do we need to produce so much basal tears? Besides lubricating and flushing away debris from our eyes, basal tears also provide oxygen and nutrient to our eyes. Also, basal tears ensure good vision so that you can immediately spot the good-looking boys or girls in front of you. Sometimes you might experience dry eyes after attending online lectures. This is because long screen time can actually reduce the basal tears production and lead to dry eyes. So I hope that I have made it clear that basal tears are important in maintaining the health of our eyes. Now that I have informed you about the first type of tears, I will move on to the second type of tears. The second type of tears is the reflex tears. These tears have more antibodies and shed in larger amount than basal tears to clear your eyes from irritants like smoke, peppers, bright lights, and onions. So have you ever wondered why raw onions inflict tears? Anyway, I do because every time my mother asks me to chop the raw onions, I wish I can do this. So I did some research on the internet and here's what I found. When the onion skin is removed, an enzyme will be released, converting the sulfoxide to sulfonic acid, which then becomes an irritating gas with a nasty long name, syn-propanethyl S oxide. This irritating gas will trigger the production of reflex tears so that your reflex tears will help you to clear the irritants away from your eyes. I hope that I have made it clear that reflex tears are essential in helping to protecting your eyes from harmful irritants. Now that you have informed about the second type of tears, I will talk about the last type of tears. The third type of tears is emotional tears. These tears contain more hormones compared to basal tears and reflex tears. Sometimes you might experience intense emotions such as emotional stress, anger, sadness, or extreme happiness. And it might feel like a loss of control and is actually dangerous to your body health. So emotional tears will be released to stabilize your mood as quickly as possible. Scientists also found traces of stress hormones such as ACTH and enkephalin, which can help which means crying can actually reduce the stress. Also, some studies suggest that emotional tears consist of the feel-good chemical endorphin. This is why 80% of you in this class claim that you feel better and feel relief after crying emotional tears. Emotional tears are so beneficial that some countries like Japan actually developed a crying club for people to express their emotion through the emotional tears in a safe, judgment-free space. I hope you understand that emotional tears can help you to maintaining good mental health. To end the presentation, I would like to summarize the 3 types of tears, which are basal tears, reflex tears, and emotional tears. I hope you like this topic, and in the future, you will be grateful that you have these 3 types of tears that help you to maintain your physical health and mental health. Thank you.